For anyone aspiring to become a skilled furniture maker, having the right hand tools for furniture making is essential. These tools are not just accessories, they are the foundation of your craft, enabling you to bring your creative visions to life with precision and ease. First on the list are chisels, which are indispensable for shaping and detailing wood. A quality set of chisels allows you to create intricate designs and joints that elevate your projects from ordinary to extraordinary. Coupled with hand saws, these tools provide the versatility needed for both rough cuts and fine details. Equally important are planes, which help smooth surfaces and ensure perfect edges. Investing in a good plane can dramatically improve the finish of your work, making it look professional even if you're just starting out. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of reliable measuring tools. Accurate measurements are crucial in furniture making. They prevent costly mistakes and ensure that every piece fits together seamlessly. Incorporating these must-have hand tools into your workshop will not only enhance your skills but also instill confidence in your ability to tackle any project that comes your way. Embrace these essentials and watch as you transform raw materials into beautiful pieces of furniture.